Hello lovely people, what is up? Today we are solving Leetcode problem number 27, remove element. Here we are given an integer array and an integer val. We have to remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed and then we have to return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. So we have to consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val to be k. To get accepted, that is what they've given, and then we need to do the following conditions that they've given here. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums, and then we have to return k. So essentially what they are asking us to do is nums is an array, val is a given integer that we need to remove. We need to remove all val in place, that is no extra array. We cannot use a dummy array or a temporary array to solve this question, and then we have to return how many elements are left, which is k. So instead of removing elements, what we can do is we can overwrite unwanted values with valid ones. So let us imagine we are cleaning a very messy table. We only keep the good items, which are the values that are not equal to val, and then we place them from left to right, and then we ignore the bad ones. So to solve this particular question, we can use two-pointer approach, where I scans the array and k is where to place next valid element. First, we initialize the value k to 0, which means the next valid element goes at index 0. And then we traverse throughout the array for I in range of len of nums, where I checks every element, and then we do a condition check. So if nums of I, that is current index, is not equal to val, that is if the element is valid, we place it at the correct position. We move it forward and expand valid region. Nums of k equal to nums of I, and then k plus equals to 1. So as you guys can see, the code is running without any errors. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one. Bye guys.